when it comes to making money from your blog, Google AdSense is no doubt one of the best monetization programs out there. And creating an AdSense account and getting approval is not particularly an easy process, especially for beginners. Okay, and the real problem is when Google decides to ban your AdSense account. That's when the real problem starts. Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and also giving you huge information on everything surrounding how to make money online. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also very much welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you would be among the first to be notified. Okay, so in worst case scenario or in bad situations whereby Google AdSense ban your account or Google ban your AdSense account, what is the next thing to do? Okay, a good solution is to start looking out for AdSense alternatives that are actually very good for you to use their display ads program to monetize your blog. And the ad networks I mentioned in this video, they are not particularly better than Google AdSense display ads program, but most of them could actually, or some of them could actually pay you higher than Google AdSense, depending on your site traffic and your niche. So whether you are looking for something to replace your Google AdSense, or you're looking for alternative means you can actually use to make extra cash through display ads, this video is actually right for you because I'm going to mention some ad networks that will actually make it worthwhile for you. You can actually use them as a complementary platforms to make extra money from your blog, or you can use it to substitute for your Google AdSense account, especially in the case of ban or your account is being restricted. Okay, so without taking much of your time, let's get right into it. The first ad network, which is an alternative to Google AdSense, is called Izoic. Okay. Izoic is driven by is an ad platform that is driven by AI. Izoic is an ad network that can directly impact your revenue, performance, and user experience. It determines the best settings for the ads you put on your website depending on each user. You also get to test different rules to end up with what works best. Izoic ad network can help your blog unlock more revenue with much lesser effort. Okay, so this is actually a very good platform for you to use as an alternative to your AdSense account. The next one is Medianet. Medianet is the best alternative to AdSense in terms of ad types. Medianet is a contextual ad network by Yahoo and Bing, and it offers high-paying ads. Moreover, the ad types involved are similar to AdSense, and if you have quality blog, you are more likely to get Medianet approval in no time. Okay, so this is another good ad network you can actually use either to replace AdSense or to use as an alternative to AdSense. Okay, let's hop right next to the next one, the next one is Amazon display ads. I know that this may come up as a surprise to you, putting Amazon display ads on this platform. Yeah, right before 2019, it has always been Amazon affiliate program. But since late 2019, early 2020, Amazon has come up with so many other, options, which now make it one of the best choices for bloggers in terms of site monetization. Okay, so until recently, it was only Amazon affiliate program, but with Amazon native shopping ads and CPM based ads, they are a great choice for publishers and users who are looking for something other than AdSense. I strongly advise that if you're going to use Amazon display ads, make sure that your traffic are majorly from the US and from the EU. Okay, so if your blog gets traffic from any other country that is not US or EU, or any other region that is not US or EU, then you shouldn't use Amazon display ads, okay, as an alternative to AdSense. So the next one is buy sell ads. Is another very good ad network out there. Okay, they serve direct ads on your website and blog, and this can help you make extra income without putting in so much effort. If you're looking to add an income stream on top of those you already have, then buy sell ads is a great place to achieve that. Buy sell ads make this process super easy. You as a publisher can list your website on their marketplace with your statistics and details, and advertisers can directly buy advertisement spots from you, and you don't have to pay anything upfront. You just simply have to wait until your offer is accepted and the advertiser pays or seals the deal with you. That's the only time you could actually, is after you've made money. That's when the platform or the ad network will charge you 25% commission for providing you the platform to actually, showcase your blog to advertisers. All right. The next one is Monetize More. Monetize More lets you increase your ad revenue potential by providing you access to high performance ad technology. They also offer access to experts that work with full transparency. The platform provides complete ad optimization, customization, and full ownership of your ad inventory with 100% transparency. So Monetize More is another very good alternative to Google AdSense, and it can actually help you monetize your blog and make as much money as possible through display ads. Okay, so now that you know the 5 alternatives to Google AdSense, then it's now left for you to either use any of them to replace Google AdSense in case of ban, or if your account is being restricted, or you can now use it as a complementary ad network to also make extra income through display ads on your blog. Okay, and if you're looking to monetize your blog, or you have been banned by AdSense and looking for another way to monetize your blog through display ads, ad networks are a great way to generate those extra revenue without having to devote so much time and effort. So know the best ad alternatives to AdSense and start earning from them. And some of these ad network actually pay higher than Google AdSense depending on your niche and your traffic volume. Okay, so having been with me in this video up to this moment, I wish to thank you for watching. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, like this video and also subscribe and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you would be among the first to be notified. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.